What's the meaning of atomic theory? Atomic theory. Atomic theory.
Atomic theory. Atomic theory. Atomic theory is a scientific explanation of the nature of matter. It describes that all matter is made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. Atoms consist of a nucleus that contains protons and neutrons, with electrons orbiting around it. The theory also explains how atoms combine to form molecules and how they interact with each other through chemical reactions. Atomic theory has been developed over centuries by scientists such as John Dalton, J. Thomson, and Ernest Rutherford, and it is an essential foundation for our current understanding of chemistry and physics.